In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate overpayments in Xero. Managing your finances accurately is key, and the proper allocation of overpayments in Xero can help keep your accounting books in order, preventing errors or discrepancies. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. This is your control center and where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your accounts effectively. Now, what you need to do next is click on Reconcile Items. You can find this option in the menu. It's a crucial stage in the reconciliation process and will present you with transactions that require your attention. After you've clicked on Reconcile Items, the next step is to search for the specific transaction you want to reconcile. To do this, click on Find and Match. This feature allows you to match your bank transactions with their corresponding invoices or bills, making reconciliation a much easier task. When you found the transaction you're interested in, there's a small checkbox beside it. Click this box to select it. This action tells Xero you want to do something specific with this transaction. Now that we have selected the transaction, let's create a new transaction to allocate the overpayment. Look for the New Transaction button and give it a click. This is where you'll begin categorizing the overpayment into a more understandable context. Once inside the New Transaction window, click on Spend Money. This choice indicates that we're dealing with an outgoing overpayment. It's important because money that extends beyond expected payments needs to be categorized. Following this, move to the Direct Payment option. Direct payment is when you allocate funds directly to an invoice without using your primary bank account, which is what makes it perfect for overpayments. This helps ensure that the funds are directly applied where they belong. Now click on Overpayment. This setting specifies that the money processed is more than the invoice or bill amount, effectively tracking the surplus funds. Finally, after you've filled out all the necessary information and ensured everything is in order, click on Save Transaction. By saving this, you're confirming the details and updating your financial records. And there you have it. Your overpayment is now properly allocated within Xero. Following these steps ensures your financial records remain accurate, making future account reconciliations much smoother. Remember, consistent bookkeeping is essential for sound financial management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful tips and tutorials on managing your finances with Xero.